Hi, do you all think we can go to China after this deadly pandemic? Just look at the video.
Officials say it originated in Wuhan, a Chinese city of about 11 million people. The outbreak seems to have started at a food market. It has recently been confirmed that the disease can spread from person to person.
After watching the video, going to China is a big question. And it's okay not going to China, but we should not restrict ourselves to other countries. Corona has spread all over the world, but there are many countries where positive cases are very less, and literally the cases have stopped growing. These places has very less tourists all over here, and they have isolated their borders before the pandemic have hit them. Let's give them a chance and wait for the days when this world is stable again like before. This virus has spread all over the world, and getting worried for this pandemic is very obvious. But positive cases are being cured and precautions have taken to stop the spread of the virus.
होम बिल्कुल ठीक, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
Also, many countries are spending millions of dollars to prepare the vaccine, and we all pray and hope that they will achieve it. Friends, I know people are going to question me that why am I asking to travel now? But I am not asking to travel now. You all should travel when this pandemic ends and the lockdown has been lifted from all the countries. Only reason why I am saying this, our country and our world is so beautiful and we all should explore it. So there are many suggestive countries where you should travel, but very important, you all should check the COVID-19 history in those countries and decide your plan accordingly. The first country is Bhutan. Bhutan is very close to India, and because of that, no long flight and no jet lag. No stress of visa issuance and almost nil chances of rejection. Very important, it is not a very expensive destination and it is favorable to Indians. Country is Jordan. Jordan has a lot of things to offer, like good flight connection, no visa hassle, lot of history to cover in the destination, and the destination and country is really very beautiful. Let's see the destination how it looks. Our third destination is Kenya. Kenya is a beautiful destination and it is known for its forest and safari. Also, the visa procedures in Kenya is very easy and nobody has to take any kind of stress for visa. Let's see the Kenya safari. Our fourth destination is a combination of 3 islands, which is Maldives, Mauritius, and Seychelles. All these 3 islands are really very beautiful and it's like paradise on the earth. And also it's a perfect destination for family and couples. And my final suggested destinations is a combination of 4 to 5 countries or maybe 7. Some of the countries are Kazakhstan, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Armenia and Uzbekistan. Also there is Kyrgyzstan and Turkmenistan. All these countries are the new emerging destination and recently it is known for its nature and nightlife. The visa procedures in these countries are really simple and quicker. So रमज़ान भी स्टार्ट हो गया है एंड मेरे फैमिली की तरफ से आप सभी को रमज़ान मुबारक।